If you think traditional Japanese music is gentle or polite, think again. This isn't gentle koto or background strings. This is NIYA, a Tsugaru-Shamisen rebel rewriting the rules. Heavy neck. Dogskin body. Strings ready to explode. When NIYA strikes the bachi, it's not plucking, it's lightning. Tsugaru-Shamisen wasn't born for calm, it was forged for soul-shaking power. From a blind street musician called Nightabo to today's global stages, this sound carries history in every strike. One strike. One beat. One memory that burns. No auto-tune. No backing track. Just raw strings and raw soul. Tourist postcards show temples, NIYA shows you the real Japan. Share if you feel the pulse. Comment if you dare to listen with your soul. Don't just travel. Experience Japan through sound.